What's up guys, Shannon from SP88. Look, I'm underneath the seat on a Mini. Whoa, I nearly smashed my phone with the seat. Alright, so this is underneath the seat. It's the Mini, you know the Mini. Come on guys, you know this car, right? Please, I don't have to get out and show you. It's the Mini, 58 plate, so 2008. It's got an airbag warning light on. All these faults are because I've disconnected this stuff here, but it had a fault with mainly the last one that you see on the list, which is the passenger seat occupancy sensor. So I just wanted to get underneath the seat to see if there's anything that looks crazy. Obviously I've got a diagnostic inspection fee of £100 to come out to this guy's location and find out what's wrong with his car and fix it within the first hour if possible. I cleared the fault and it disappeared, so that's all good. I looked at a couple of videos online to see what people were saying about this occupancy sensor. You know, like sometimes on the Mercedes A-Class you can get a bypass or do the job properly by changing it out. So I wanted to know which one was the occupancy sensor, and it seems like this one here is the side airbag, this one here is the seatbelt pre-tensioner, and this one here is the occupancy sensor. So what I've been seeing on YouTube would be wrong to me, but I just want to reprove, and you guys can tell me in the comments if I'm right. Let's have a quick look. What I'm going to do is plug these all back in and then unplug them one by one. Well, I'm just going to unplug this one. I'm not going to do these two again this long. I could do, but I don't need to. This one is the occupancy sensor. So what I've been seeing in the videos of people doing stuff for this, putting resistors across this and stuff. This is for the seat belt tensioner. This one here. Okay. This one here is for the side airbag. This one here is for the occupancy sensor. Alright. So these ones are shielded because they're pyrotechnics. And this one isn't because it's just a sensor. So I've got it all plugged back in now. You're looking at me. Yeah, it's all plugged back in. It's outside of the casing, so I can just pull them out separately. And I'm just going to clear the fault codes. Go back in there. No codes, yeah. So if there was a permanent fault, it would come straight back. Alright, so we've got no fault codes. And then I'm going to go. Imagine that. Alright, there's no warning light on the dashboard either. It's all clear. Okay, as soon as I unplug this black connector, you're going to hear a warning on the dash. And then we'll check the faults. I'll have just pulled it slightly like that. Just slightly like that. Oh, I'll pull this one more than I should have. Whoops. So I don't know what faults you're going to get. Okay. Jeez. Airbag. Let's go. Codes. Passenger side airbag. So I'll pull this one first by accident. Okay. So that's definitely passenger side airbag. Alright, so now that we started doing that, okay, we leave this one unplugged now. That's the passenger side airbag, like I said, okay? Gonna go back. Please, I hope I didn't press home again. Okay, more big fingers. Please. My god. Okay, checking the full codes again for the airbag. Just got one connector pulled out. Got two full codes, the same exact full code twice, yeah? Good. Got two connectors in there. So I'm gonna pull this one out slightly now, like that. And we'll see if he's put a fault in there. It's made, the screen is fucked. Every time I go there, it's pressing home, but I'm not. If I press that corner again, I swear to God, I'm gonna flip out. God, slightly pulled out. Okay, well that slight pulling, it hasn't registered anything, so that's fine. Make the screen twitch when I done that. My God, I done it again, guys. Yeah, I done it again. 4 times in a row. Could you believe it? This is what happens when I get my camera out. It's like time just gets wasted. I'm hoping bringing some good stuff for you guys though. Get there in the end. I pretty much could have packed up and gone home already on this job because, I mean, the seat occupancy sensor is working. Because I cleared the fault, sat in the seat and read the data. So we're checking the fault codes now with 2 connectors unplugged. And this is what we've got now. Okay, passenger seat belt tensioner now. So first we had the airbag, side airbag, now we've got the seat belt tensioner now. And then this black connector, we pull this one out and we're gonna go back. Oh, please don't register the press. I didn't, thank God. Let's go back like that. And now we've got the last 2 faults, yeah? So believe me guys, some people on YouTube are telling you guys to do some crazy things. Follow me if you want to get the honest advice, you know what I mean? I thought there was going to be a fault and I was going to have to get out my airbag resistors, but nope, don't have to use them. Put this car back together. It's back together now, and yeah, I think there's a guy in that video on YouTube that shows you how to put it back together. I could have, but I mean, if you can't do this bit, you shouldn't be touching this at all, to be honest. But yeah, it goes on the back and clicks into place like that. This is broken. Let's go back here now. Alright, that button's not working. Thank God. Why is my hand automatically going there? Now it's just completely stopped working, which is good actually. Hope the screen just continues to work. I can show you guys one thing actually. My spastic finger trying to continuously back out to the home screen. We're going to see the occupancy sensor actually working. Alright. So, okay, so see, I'm sat in the seat, occupied, raised off the seat, not occupied, sat in the seat, occupied. So yeah, it's all good, man. And all the things in the car, all the systems of the airbag can be checked out with the computer. Driver's airbag, to me those ohms are a bit high, but it's not got a fault on the dash. All the others are only like the 2 range, except that one. It's all the little systems that you can check out. Anyway, the car's all good to go. I'm out here shining from SB88. I need some subscribers. Hook me up, please, man. Help a brother out. Watch my videos, come back and see me. Yeah. I need to shout out Paul Collins. You've been watching a few of my videos. I think there's a guy called Brendan. Watching my videos as well. Yeah. Love for you guys, man. Thank you very much. You guys in the next video. On to the next one.